This is my order from Rockstar Hottie, Rockstar Hottie 2. Let's get started. Let me see. I ordered this mustache. I didn't have this mold. I said, as long as I've been making pendants, I never thought to get a mustache. And I got this cameo. This is just the cutest. The cutest. And this, oh, look how big it is. I gotta get ready to pour in this before I head out of town. Like that. And this love, this blingy love right here. And this one is a, what is it, like a leopard or a cheetah print. And this one is like a tiger print. My baby in there whining. And I got this autism puzzle piece. And this bowl with the two kitty bowls. And these life-size brass knuckles. And yes, my kitty. And look how big it is. See my fingers? That is just too cute. Oh, that's going to make the cutest pendant. I need to try and make that before I go out of town. I want to wear that out of town. Yep, that's my order. And I got some extras. I got another mustache and some tiny brass knuckles. And yes, a doll face, because I do have a doll face. It's cute. And bombshell. I like that. That is cute enough. And this vamp mold. And bam! I finally got me a bam. And this on a lightning rod. I like the little things around. I don't know what you call it, like exclamations, but I like that a lot. So that is my order. Y'all go and check her out on Facebook and on Etsy. I'll put the links below. But bam, this is my favorite. I love, love, love this Hello Kitty. As soon as I finish this, I'm getting ready to pour into this. This is just the cutest. Alright, guys. Let's see how to